Ethekwini municipality hosted Maskandi and Ingoma music and dance while remembering the heroes that is the youth of 1976. Iziko on the Move was present at this prestigious event to witness the embrace of the Zulu cultures, and the youth shared how much this holiday means to them.
Asanda, Msomi. I'm Charmaine. June 16 means a lot to us. A lot of students, they fought and they died, they lost their lives, so it means a lot. It's not about celebrating, it's about actually encouraging the youth of today to still recognize what happened before.
June 16 is very important in our lives as the youth of today. So like those people who died and lost their lives during the struggle of freedom and free education.
My name is Sandile, my name is Nzuza. I'm a youth chairperson at Ward 98 at Umkababa on the South Coast. Basically, for us, actually to celebrate this day, it means a lot because for young people actually who are free now, and then there were people who lost actually their family members for the sake of us. We really appreciate this opportunity, and actually I would be wrong if I don't thank the Arts and Living Culture for giving us this chance, because it means a lot to us.
It's for us young students and young people to embrace that people fought for us for our rights. So we can also go to English schools, we can also have like different things and be able to celebrate what happened in the 2016.